In this video, I'll be going over my December 2024 income report with Amazon KDP. So first, let's start with ads. I actually didn't run any ads in December 2024, and I haven't run ads since it looks like August 2023 on KDP. And this is my current ad statistic. So I've spent $98.98 total on ads so far. And some of the reasons why I don't run ads currently is really just due to lack of time and extra finances that I want to put towards ads. I have a lot going on right now, so I just haven't really chosen to run ads because ads do take up a lot of time, at least personally for me. I'm still kind of like a beginner when it comes to ads, so that may be why it usually takes up a little bit of my time. So I just don't run ads right now. And for orders for December 1st through December 31st, 2024, I got 91. So 91 books shipped out during the month of December 2024. I currently have 271 books in my dashboard. And then my highest day in December was, it looks like December 19th with 10. And lowest, I do have a few days at 0, but that's okay. This is all basically passive income, organic sales, since I'm not running ads myself with KDP. And I haven't really been creating many new boats at all. I did create some new boats in 2024, I'm pretty sure, but it probably was less than 10. I'm just guessing on that, but it definitely wasn't as much as I have done before. So I've created a lot of books in 1 year before, so I really just have not had a lot of extra time for KDP, unfortunately. But I will also be going over my top 10 books towards the royalties part of the video. Before I get into the royalties, I do just want to mention, in case you aren't sure or if you are wondering what this is about. So in my description below, I do have a link to my stand store, or is currently where I have my course, and it's a scrapbook craft paper success guide. And right now I have it on a pretty decent sale. It's for $49.99. And this course took me multiple hours to create. I have so much information in here: intro to KDP, niche research, keyword research, interior cover creation tutorials, over the shoulder series, tools, copyright, trademark information, and more. So I also have some bonus content there as well. And this niche is the one that has made me the most money so far. During the screenshot, this is May 26, 2024, since I started, since KDP started calculating profit December 24th, 2021, or started calculating statistics for my KDP account. So over $6,500, and that definitely has gone up since I have sold more books in this niche since May 26, 2024. And I'll be going over the top 10, like I said before, and then my most selling book is the scrapbook paper craft paper pad. So for royalties, I got $191.51. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this, especially since this is basically organic passive income. I'm not really doing anything with KDP right now. I'm just letting the books sell whenever they sell and just checking occasionally, pretty much, like on the dashboard if I made any sales. But I'm really just having my books on my dashboard and not really doing anything, if that made sense. So looks like my highest was December 19th, which makes sense, with over $20, I think, in that one day, which is awesome. And then lowest is going to be those days at $0, but that's okay. Let me show you my top 10 before I go over what kind of books actually sold, because I did have multiple niches that sold. So compare books, this shows the top 10 with 77 orders and then $156.19. So you don't need to have hundreds of books to make money with KDP. You literally just need one. And I know some people have like 10 books and some people have 1,000 books. And I really don't think there's like a one size fits all for KDP. I think that you can do and work KDP however you want to. If you want to have over 1,000 books, you can. If you want to only have one book, then you can. I know some people who have made a lot of money off of one book and some people who have made a lot of money off of 1,000 books. It really varies and depends on what your content is and the quality and what you're passionate about. So I don't want the quantity of books that I currently have on my dashboard to shy you away from anything. Sometimes I think I've been asked, how many books you need to make money. the simple answer is one, but it really does depend on your niche and your quality of book, and if you do advertise and if you don't, and competition and everything like that. So now let's get into the actual top 10. So I did look at this previously before I created this video, and I believe my number one is going to be a coupon book. And this coupon book typically does sell very well in December. I'm guessing most likely due to Christmas. Usually this book does sell a lot more around the holidays, like those times of year. So I'm guessing because of Christmas is most likely why this book sold some more. So I did have number one being the coupon book for orders, and I believe it may have also been number one for royalties. I don't make a lot of royalties on this book, so sometimes it can be number one in orders and not number one in royalties, but I'm pretty sure it was both this month. And then for another top 10, I had another coupon book, and this one is definitely more niche or niche, like more for December and for Christmas, or for like Christmas time of year. So I'm surprised this one didn't sell as many as the other coupon book, which is more generic, where this coupon book could be for multiple times throughout the year. I hope I explained that correctly. And then the rest of the top 10, so the other 8, were all scrapbook paper, craft paper pad, niche related books. And then the rest of the books for the entire month, most were the scrapbook paper, craft paper pad, niche. However, I did also have a notebook sell. I did have a playbook sell, which I don't think I've ever sold one of those before. And I created that at least a year or two ago from now, I would think. I'm not entirely sure when I actually created it, but it has been a while. And then I also sold, so I had the notebook and then the playbook, and then I also sold a sketchbook type of book. And then I'm trying to remember if there was anything else. That's what I'm remembering right now is those. But again, majority are all going to be that scrapbook paper, craft paper pad. However, the coupon book niche definitely made up quite a few orders this month as well. So let me go back over here again. For orders, I have 91, and then for royalties, $191.57. So for expenses for the month, I don't really have many expenses for KDP since I don't run ads. I do pay $29 a month for Stand Store, and then I do also pay $12.99 a month for Canva. I really probably should just buy the year for Canva because it does save your money. For some reason, I just really like doing it month to month, and I just don't want to do the yearly right now. And then I'm not sure if Stand Store offers a year as well either, but I just do the month to month with that for now too. And that's really it. So if I subtract 29 and $12.99, well, let me add that up first. So that's going to be $41.99. So if I do 191.57 minus, and that was $49.91, or not, oh my goodness, and 99 cents. There we go. So that brings my total profit, not including taxes, of course, to $141.58. Well, taxes, I guess, will vary for everybody, but for me, I do have to pay taxes on this. This is pre-tax income, so everybody takes a certain amount that they keep for themselves. I think their common amount is usually 30%. I personally don't really separate it right now since I'm not making like thousands every month. It typically hasn't been really a big problem. But if I do like 30% of that going into taxes, then let me see what my actual take home would be. It would be $99.106, so point like 10 cents or 11 cents depending how you round. So basically almost $100, and any sort of extra income I'm super grateful for, but just to give you an idea on my actual expenses and things like that. So I'd love to know how December 2024 went for you with Amazon KDP, and I thank you all so much for being understanding while I'm still having a lot going on and not being as active on this channel as I'd like to be, but I'm really hoping to start to try to get into a groove at some point and start posting more often. So thank you very much for being understanding and patient with that, and I hope that this video was helpful in some way. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I hope that you have a great day.